Hi guys! So, this is our third day here in Costa Brava and it's already in the afternoon actually. Ang ingay nung ano nila, ginagawa yung pool nila sa baba. So, it's noisy. So, yeah. What I'm saying is, we're going to the museum. Remember on my first vlog, because it was Sunday, so it was closed. We're not be able to see how it looks like the museum here in Costa Brava, because I want to show it to you as well how it's, you know, how it's there inside. And we don't know if we need to pay or what. So okay, so just a little bit update of the weather here. I don't know how many Celsius, maybe 19 or 20 Celsius right now, and it's very windy. And yeah, it's still sunny but windy, kind of a little bit cold. You're gonna feel a little bit of cold. So as you can see on my background, it's the sea. Yeah, that's it. And then on my other side is a mountain and houses. So yun, so we're going out now, and we're gonna eat some Spanish food as well later. So I just want to enjoy this. This is actually the third day and last day that we were going around, and then tomorrow we're going back to London. So I'll see you guys later. Wala pa kami masyado na vloghan. So, hey guys, it's already after So hey guys, I will do a room tour now because this is our last day, third day, but last day because tomorrow we're going back to London. So I will show to you our room here in Costa Brava. So we're staying here in Alba's Seleqtta. Alba. I'll just put in the screen, yeah. So okay, let's start. So this is the main door, and this is the switch. We have a card here that you just take it off and put it in to control the light here inside. So this main door, and then when you go inside, you will have a table and chair, and this is the bed that we have, and we have like two side table for the bed and two lights there. And we're going first, so sorry about the messy of our stuff. So you have a mirror here and the TV is here, and when you are going in the bathroom, so you have bathtub, and of course the shower is there, our towels, and big mirror. Hey. So I so much like their mirror, guys. I so much love it, especially this one. So it's so easy. If you're doing your makeup, you can use this one. So it's really nice. Let's just put it back. Oops. So yeah, I prefer that way. And yeah, this is the toilet. That's how it looks like. I like this marble one. I so much like this one. And we're going this side now. So you guys will see you have your cabinet, and this one, I don't know what's that, it's empty. And this side you will see the fridge. We could not open it. They said you need to ask the key for in the reception. I think is some bottle of water and drinks inside this fridge. So yeah, and the next one, we are going to the balcony now. So this is the balcony. We're going outside. So yeah, this is the outside of the balcony. Of course, 1 second. So this is the balcony, and this is the hotel that I was trying to read. I could never read. But yeah, this is medyo malaki yung balcony natin. So they have table and chair, and as you can see, yung dagat, and puro bahay lang siya dito, and then mountains. So ayan, and then if you're gonna look it down, there is a swimming pool, and dapat doon parang they have small swimming pool, but they are starting to renovate it. So yeah, this is our hotel. So if you guys planning to stay in this hotel, well, they have their half board, full board, or just breakfast. Actually we booked it in, I think it is Expedia. Oh no, sorry, we booked this one in On the Beach for 4 days and 3 nights. So yeah, this is the view. That's it. That's it what you can see on our room. It's just very small.